Welcome back to our kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super yummy South African dish called Bobotie. It's a delightful blend of flavors that will make your taste buds dance. It's like a spiced meatloaf with a creamy topping. Trust me, it's as delicious as it sounds. Let's get cooking. But first, let's make sure we have everything we need. First, let's gather our ingredients. This is a crucial step to ensure we don't miss anything. You'll need 1 pound ground beef or lamb. You can choose either based on your preference. 1 onion, finely chopped. Onions add a wonderful depth of flavor. 1 clove garlic minced. Garlic gives a nice aromatic touch. 1 tablespoon curry powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon salt. These spices are the heart of our bobotie. 1 teaspoon black pepper. A little kick to balance the flavors. 2 slices of bread soaked in milk. 1/4 cup raisins. 2 tablespoons vinegar. These ingredients add a unique texture and sweetness. 2 eggs. 1 cup milk. These will form our creamy topping. And don't forget your materials. Having the right tools makes cooking so much easier. You'll need a mixing bowl, a frying pan, a spatula, and a baking dish. All right, let's start cooking. First, heat up your pan and add the chopped onion and minced garlic. The aroma will be amazing. Cook until they're soft and smell amazing. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Now, add the ground beef or lamb and cook until it's browned. Make sure to break it up as it cooks. Next, we add the fun stuff. The spices. Sprinkle in the curry powder, turmeric, salt, and black pepper. These will give our dish its signature flavor. Give it a good mix so all the flavors come together. This is where the magic happens. Take the bread that's been soaking in milk and squeeze out the extra milk. This will help bind our meat mixture. Tear the bread into small pieces and add it to the meat mixture. It adds a lovely texture. Toss in the raisins and vinegar and mix everything well. The raisins add a sweet surprise in every bite. Now spread the meat mixture into your baking dish. Make sure it's even. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and mix them with the milk. This will form our creamy topping. Pour this creamy mixture over the meat in the baking dish. Make sure it covers the entire surface. It's going to create that delicious topping when it bakes. This is what makes bobotie so special. Pop the dish into the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The wait will be worth it. Bake for about 45 minutes until the top is golden and set. Your kitchen will smell incredible. And voila, our bobotie is ready. Here's our delicious bobotie, all golden and yummy. Perfect for any meal. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's a wonderful way to explore South African cuisine. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Your support means the world to us. Hit that bell and see you next time. Bye! Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your enthusiasm keeps me going. Jecht DIY video signing off. Take care, everyone.